How to copy text from images using your phone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy text from any image using your phone. No extra apps needed. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Photos app and select any image that contains text. This could be a document, screenshot, signboard, or even handwritten notes. If the iPhone detects text in the image, you'll see a live text icon appear in the bottom right corner. Tap on that, and your iPhone will highlight all the text it finds. Now just tap and hold on the text, and you'll see options to copy, select all, look up, translate, or share. You can then paste the copied text into Notes, Messages, Safari, or anywhere else you need. It's perfect for quickly grabbing addresses, phone numbers, or full paragraphs from printed material. You can also do this directly from the Camera app. Just point your camera at the text, and a yellow frame will appear. Tap the live text icon, and you can copy the text instantly without even taking a photo. It works offline, it's super accurate, and it saves a ton of typing. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and leave a comment if you want to learn how to translate or search text using this same feature. That's all for the video.